Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be talking about NIO, why it fell down today, is it crashing, what areas am I looking at, and where I'll be looking to add on to more, potentially. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate all the new subscribers that here. And if you want to talk to me on a more personal level, go ahead and join my free Discord in the chat below, completely free. We talk all the time during market hours, and if you have questions, you can ask me here and you'll get a faster response than asking me on YouTube. So consider that, but let's get right into the video. Let's talk about NIO. So today, NIO was down 57 cents. We hovered around the $47 area. Now, guys, look where we got rejected at this morning. That's why these levels are so important that I chart out. We got it rejected exactly at 48.31. This is a reason why I chart these levels out, because they're important. We knew that previously over here it acted as a support, and over here it acted as a resistance. So we know that if the price was going to either get rejected or pushed through, it was going to be at this level right here. And today we got that rejection. Now you might notice that I did draw this support right here. I drew the support at 46.83. This was more of a intraday support, so I was looking at this level today. I did not want it breaking this level if I was bullish on NIO. So my thoughts process on this today was, if we broke below this level at 46.83, then we're most likely heading back down either to 45.85 or back down to this stronger support at 44.73. So guys, I'd like to remind you, tomorrow is a half a day, so do not expect much action. We could have another red day on NIO, or it could just be a pretty much nothing day, just because we have a very short day tomorrow. We have low volume, and then of course Friday's Christmas, so we're closed on that day. So going to the session tomorrow, guys, what I'm looking for is this level to hold at 46.86, around the area. I'm looking for that level to hold. Now if we don't, like I said, we're probably falling down back to the stronger support at 44.73. Now what I'm seeing right now is we continued up, we got rejected, now we're kind of cooling off. So if you're bullish on NIO, we need to stay and really hold this level. I really don't want us getting below ultimately this level right here at 45.64, because if we do, then we're not continuing this uptrend anymore. But if we do fall below, I'm looking for a heavy support at 44.73. So today we're down 57 cents. Wasn't too big of a day. Like I said, if you were watching it though, we did have dips all the way down to, what was this, 45.73. So we did recover. Now notice that we came back and then we held this support. So that's why I'm saying, going to the session tomorrow, if we don't hold this support, then we're most likely heading back down. Now that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. Let me know, are y'all in NIO? What areas are you looking at? Or are you a long-term investor in NIO? Now I like to put something out there. If you're a new viewer, like I said, my videos are for people who trade NIO, but if you're an investor, that's completely fine. I'd recommend just buying on every dip that you can with NIO. We have NIO Day coming up soon, so that's going to be a positive catalyst for us. So I'm really excited to see what that's going to bring. We know a sedan is coming, so possibly we could start seeing this uptrend again. Like I do in almost every video, I'm going to structure my trade like if I were to get in right now. So if you took an entry today at NIO support line that I charted out at 46.83, where would you stop out? Me personally, I would pretty much give it to this candle right here. So I would stop out at 46.10. Now keep in mind though, this is if you're trading NIO. If you're holding it for an investor, don't even worry about this trading plan. This is for if you're trading NIO. That's where I'd stop out, and then I ultimately would be patient and look for an area to buy back at 44.73. Now if you're an investor and you can afford it, maybe consider adding on to this dip. So you had in picture that you got in up here, or maybe higher up here, and then you add on to 44.73. So you add on to your position and you also bring your average down. So that's what my advice would be to y'all. If you did invest in NIO back here when it was higher, I would consider average costing down, so when it does return, then you can make that profit back. So guys, that would be my advice on NIO. And then going to the session tomorrow, my main concern is that we hold this level right here, as I've talked about many times, 46.83. And so this is what I picture, or I would want NIO to do tomorrow if we are bullish. Keep in mind though, we will be on low volume, so don't expect too much tomorrow. So I want to push up the resistance, and I want to see us get above resistance, come down, retest this from the upside, so it could access the support now, and then blast right through. So if you're bullish on NEO, this is the bullish case scenario where we push up to resistance at 48.31 and we continue this upward momentum. The next level we'd be looking at is 49.37. So let's take this one step at a time, guys. First, let's get above 48.31. We need to get above that first, and then we can look at this level at 49.37. But we know that sellers are up here because as soon as we pushed up, guys, we came screaming down, and then we started consolidating and basing out at this area right here. So keep that in mind with your trade going into tomorrow and next week. Short week this week, so probably all of the action is going to happen next week. I'd be patient with your entries, guys, and if you are an investor, don't worry. These are just dip buy opportunities, and I would not worry about NEO. Now, if you want to work on me with a more personal level, I do offer a membership program where we have our private Discord. Once you join my free Discord, you can ask about the membership program. I'll help you get signed up. And then, like I said, I go live with them every single night. So if you'd be interested in that, I go live with them every single night. And then they put the stocks they want me to break down. So if you need a little extra help, it's only $10.99 a month. And all the way till Christmas time, I am offering a special where if you join, I give you my course for free. If you want to join through my website, link in the description below, markettrenders.com, it's the second option. So I'll be more than happy to help you, and I'll be more than happy to have you a part of the team and help you grow as a trader. Anyways, guys, this was my thought process on NEO. Tomorrow, as long as we hold this area, NEO is going to be completely fine. So I'd like to see some upward momentum, but don't expect too much. It is a short day tomorrow. I hope all of y'all have an amazing day. I hope y'all have an amazing holiday. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video.